Some challenges, without a doubt,
Oh,
this
yeah.
season, Matt.
The one thing that I hope doesn't happen, and they kind of put it in the mission critical category, is the hurricane hunters. I've already seen a few missions out into the Pacific Ocean to try to analyze what's called that Hawaiian rainfall stream.
Okay.
They have canceled flights to analyze that data because of a lack of money and funding, and so we will see some impacts. Another one, I have been trying since Helene and Milton to get a tide sensor in Charlotte Harbor.
I remember you've talked about that before,
I've been
yeah.
trying, and I reached out to NOAA. They said, hey, it's $300,000. The maintenance is 30 grand, and we were making progress, and then there were the cuts. So I don't know the status of that, but we need to get some more tide sensors in Southwest Florida.
keep
And guys,
pushing for answers,
the
yeah.
benefit of that, I can tell you when the surge levels are going up, when they plateaued, and also when they're going down. And right now we just don't have enough for parts of Southwest Florida. So I hope that we get some progress coming up on that.
Yeah, let's hope.
Let's talk about what we have at the moment in terms of storms and active weather across the country. We have severe weather for areas of the Midwest, snow and blizzard conditions for Iowa and all the way into Wisconsin. As the storm system, it's been a real headache. Look at all the reports of severe weather ranging from tornadoes to hail and even damaging wind. Locally tonight, we're nice and quiet. Temperatures are falling. We right now are at 59 for Babcock Ranch and 67 in Bonita. Tomorrow morning, most spots will be dropping into the 50s, a lingering chill in the air with patchy areas of dense fog, visibility in spots at or below 1/4 to 1/2 of a mile, and then that improves after 10 a.m. Tomorrow will be a breezy day, and that is because that exact same storm system that you just saw will start to approach our area and bring us a brief chance of rain. It's nothing to get too excited about. For tomorrow afternoon, upper 70s and lower 80s. Here's that front as it will be working its way through by the afternoon and evening hours. But that's it. And it's going to be brief. As quickly as the rain moves in, it rolls out, and that's even if you see it by the late afternoon and evening. That was at 7 o'clock. Here's a look at 9, and then eventually cooler and drier air filters in after. That's a look at the rainfall totals. Not much expected, a few couple hundredths of an inch, if that, after it's all said and done. Here's our 7 and 10 day forecast. Tomorrow, by the way, the first day of spring, although let's be real, it's felt like it over the past several weeks for our area. Mix of sun and clouds for the weekend, and then some more rain chances looking ahead to Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week.
Hi, Matt, thanks.